Hi, this is Kevin Wilson, and I'm sending you this message from Swanee, Tennessee. And I wanted to say how excited I am that this book, Now is Not the Time to Panic, by me, Kevin Wilson, is going to be the choice for the One Book One Wallingford program. And I'm so grateful and so excited to share this book with you. It's a story that's set in the summer of 1996 in a small rural town in Tennessee, much like the one I grew up in, where a young girl, a teenager, 16 years old, Frankie Budge, meets this new boy in town for the summer, Zeke. And the two of them recognize that they're each kind of kindred spirits, strange, weird outcasts, and they work together to create this poster that they then hang up all over the town of Coalfield, and it ends up causing an incredible panic that spreads from the town to the state to the country and becomes worldwide. It's something that's remembered years and years afterward, but nobody knows who made it. And so now Frankie, an adult with a child of her own and a successful career, gets a phone call from a reporter who's discovered that she was responsible for it. And so she has to think back on that summer and search out Zeke, who she hasn't seen since 1996, to let him know what's happening. And it's a book about friendship, about isolation, but it's really about art and what it means to make art and how it can open up your world in such unexpected ways. I'm really excited for the event, which will be Monday, April 24th, and I look forward to meeting everyone and answering any questions that you have. Thanks so much.